Uber stock is down 6.86%. This is Tuesday, the 4th of November, 2025, pre-market session. Intraday low $90.3. The stock is currently trending as investors and indeed traders are assessing the implications of its Q3 earnings disclosure, which included a massive earnings per share beat, even as some profit forecasts fell slightly short. The community of traders and investors, the people there are actively discussing the company's growth in bookings and trips, particularly the impact of Uber One memberships, while also debating whether the stock is currently undervalued given its market dominance and future potential in autonomous vehicles. Short-term manipulation and broader market conditions are also being considered as factors influencing the stock's decline as things stand right now. The loss is now 7.07%. Okay, so this is what nine, if you like, 7% looks like. Okay, the algos are saying that it may remain depressed up till the close of today's trading session. Then after that, the uptrend may resume. Okay, projections are currently saying 100.87, 103.29, 104.79, and indeed there are even higher prices, higher projections. Yeah. Okay. Suddenly, with this loss, with this plunge, what do we have? Okay. Unfortunately, the 10 and 21 period moving average, they are severely bearish. In fact, all the well, I can't say convincingly about the 200 period moving average, but the 10 and 21 period moving averages are now severely bearish. Positions opened all the way back 84 up to 84 hours ago are no longer in profit as things stand right now. Let's see what we have. Let's see what's been going on. Okay, 4.5 million shares. This is just the pre-market session, so only a quarter of its average volume. However, across the tape so far, it's a high beta stock. High, yeah. So far, so good. But the market hasn't opened. By the time the market opens, it might be a totally different picture, and it might also be a deeper buying opportunity. So okay, the market is not liquid. You can see the spread between the bid and the ask. It's quite a decent one, but it seemed to have improved somewhat. Yeah, maybe that's why we don't have the market. The volume so far is a bit small. Yeah, but it's still the pre-market session. Yeah, but well, by the time the market opens, this may change. But regardless, the December amount of shares seem to be going through. Uber is a prominent stock. Yeah, they will definitely. People are doing something already. They are doing something already. It's just that the market is not liquid enough. It could be a lot better than this. Okay, it has just improved. It's improving. It is improving. You want to see the bid and the ask just like nearby, not one here and the other one. You start to scroll down to find it. Yeah, that gives you it's if they're close by, if the spread is very tiny, then there's always a spread, always a spread. If it's tiny, then it indicates that the liquidity is more probably close to its maximum, amongst other things. Yeah. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. The stock is currently trending. Let's see. We could also try and see what the probability of it retesting this high closing price of yesterday. Yeah, closing price of yesterday of at 100.27 dollars is. Okay, it's not fantastic. Okay, this is where the moving average is. The moving average is around. We're considering the first moving average. It's saying 97.58. It's going to be less than. It's surely going to be less than. I can say probably less than. Okay, let's just say 2%. Let's just say 2%. We could just try and calculate it. We could just quickly try and do that calculation and find out what it's going to tell us, what it's going to give us. We need to pick up the standard deviation and then make it point to 10. make it point to 10. Okay, so once we place the cursor there, we have 100.27, and then we pick up all the other values. 100.27. Moving average is 97.58, and then standard deviation is 1.32. So we pick up the Z calculator, and then we enter the values. 100.27. Then we enter the the moving average, 97.58. Then we have 1.32. Okay. Okay, so you can see, yeah, I almost got it. 2%. Yeah, that's the probability that it will retest 100.2, 100.27. It's always like that. It's always like that, So, but for it to have gotten there as well, that probability was also very tiny, very tiny. So within a very tiny probability, a lot can still happen. The fact that you have a very high probability also does not mean that it will always also happen as well. You could bet on that and you run into a loss. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. The probability of it retesting its closing high of 100.27 dollars is 2% statistically. But within all of that, a lot can still happen. So the stock is currently down 7.7%. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of Uber stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.